Do you want to discover tips and techniques to get a high score in IELTS listening?
Or perhaps you'd like to know about the common mistakes in the IELTS reading and how to avoid them.
If you want to improve your listening and reading skills to get a high score in the IELTS, you're in luck.
We're having a workshop webinar for IELTS listening and reading, and we'd like to invite you to join us on February 6, 2021.
Due to popular demand, we're having not one, but two different schedules for the workshop webinar. That means you can choose to join us at either 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. Philippine time.
That's great news! And you know what else?
What?
The IELTS workshop webinar is completely free!
Wow! That's amazing!
It really is! So what are you waiting for? Come, join us for this amazing opportunity on February 6th. All are welcome to join in this free IELTS workshop webinar. For more information, the details are on the screen right now.
Registration is now open. Limited slots available. Registration is completely free. Simply visit the link on screen to sign up.
Start your journey to success with IELTS. We'll see you in February.